How to download your Instagram Reels video to your phone. Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download your Instagram Reels video to your phone, and then you can share those videos, upload that videos on other videos platform like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So once you open your Instagram application, you need to tap on your profile. So once you tap on your profile here, you will find the Instagram Reels icon. So you need to tap on Instagram icon, and then you need to choose the video that you want to download. So I will just choose a random one just to show you that how you can download it. So as you can see at the bottom right corner, you will find the three-dotted menu. You need to tap on that menu and a menu will appear on the screen. If you scroll down a bit, you will find save to camera roll. So you need to choose that option. Once you tap on save to camera roll, and then a message will appear which say that download without audio, because this audio file is copyrighted, so you cannot download the video with the copyrighted audio file. So you can download your video without the audio. So if you want to upload the same video on other social media platform, or like for example TikTok, so you can use their audio options. You can use their audio option edit in that platform, and you can add music to your video. So here I will just tap on download, and I will download the video without music. So as you can see, it's loading, and it's the video is downloading to my mobile phone right now. So guys, as you can see, the video has been downloaded to my phone. So guys, this is all it takes to download your videos from Instagram Reels. I hope you like the video. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.